out on the topic models. First of all, I would like to define what is the real meaning of a models. Models are special verbs. Models reflects the speaker's mood of speaking. Models are used to give a special effect to language. They are used when the speaker wants to be extra, polite, tactful, determined. These special verbs are called models. Some of the models are, for example, will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, ought to, must, dare, need, have to, used to. Shall can be used for futurity, suggestion, insistence, and advisability. Should can be used for obligation, advisability, necessity. Will can be used willingness, prediction, insistence, requests in questions. Would can be used willingness, habitual actions in past, wish, and probability. Can be used for ability, permission, possibility, and request. Could can be used ability in past, polite request, possibility. May can be applied for possibility, formal permission, wish and purpose. Might can be used for possibility, permission and concession. Must can be used for compulsion, obligation, prohibition. Ought to be used for duty, moral or social obligation. Used to be used for past habit, existence in past. Need can be used for necessity, and dare can be used for courage. There are some special uses for models. First one, a model does not change according to the number or person of the subject. For example, he can sing, they can sing, and I can sing. Second one, a model is always used with a verb in its basic root form. The model takes the tense while the main verb retains its dictionary form. I can swim, I could swim. He may swim, he might swim. Models usually take the main verb after them, but they can be used alone in response to a question. For example, can you speak French? Yes, I can. Will you help us? Yes, I will. May I leave now? Yes, you may. Models, when joined with not to form a negative, can be contracted. She cannot dance. She cannot dance. Some of the models shall, will, may, can have past form, but models don't have ing forms. Students are advised to do some exercises based on that topic in notebook. Thank you.